Welcome back to the channel, guys, and today I'm going to show you how I made this bike carrier. It took me about a day to build and it just uses a standard tow ball hitch. Now in the last video we made up this rear bar for full driving and camping. It is pretty bulky, but we're just going to have to work around it. I don't really want to have to take these swingaways off because I'd have to pop this cap, unbolt the actual swingaway, and then I've also got the number plate light to deal with, so that wouldn't be convenient at all. But I wasn't too fussed if I had to take the spare tyre off and put that in the back, but later on I actually had the bike on with the spare tyre on, so there is plenty of room. Another issue I've got is the tail lights, so I obviously don't want to be blocking the tail lights too much. People still need to see if I'm turning or braking. You can get the towing sort of plug-in tail lights, but that seems like a bit of a hassle as well, so I'm just going to try and get the bike sitting in a height where it doesn't block the tail lights too much. Now I just grabbed a few measurements of roughly where I want the bike to sit, and I cut out a few wedges and some steel. This allowed me to bend the steel in like a Z sort of shape. I ended up going back and cutting a little bit more out of these wedges because it wasn't going to sit as high as I'd like, but this is how it turned out. Just opted for some bolts for now to secure the bike to the bike carrier. I'm going away on a trip tomorrow morning, so I sort of need this thing ready. But definitely going to look into getting some latches for the future and make it a lot quicker and easier to get the bike on and off. Now I did end up welding the bike carrier to the tow ball hitch just to stop it from swaying side to side a little bit. But that's about it for this build. I hope you guys enjoyed and I'll see you on the next one.